How do I cover this snap clip? This is a 7 cm snap clip, a 2 mm soft foam, stiff flannel, and a cotton fabric. Now I cut the cotton fabric through the trace, then the stiff felt, then I cut the soft foam. Now I sew the fabric about 0.5 from the edge and put some glue on the clip and attach the foam first to one side and the other side. Then insert this clip to the fabric like this and pull the thread. Cut about 1 cm from the end of the wet part of this felt, and then insert the short or the back side of the clip. Adjust the position till all the stitch covered by the felt. Apply the glue in the wet parts and use tweezer. Then the left part, I'm using tweezer again to pull the fabric inwards. Then the right side. I wipe the excess glue with tweezer, or I cut it if it's already dry. It's done. Here how it looks, very neat and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching and hope you get benefits from this tutorial. Have a nice day.